How to reset Snapchat Discover feed. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can reset your Snapchat Discover feed. If you're seeing the same content repeatedly on Snapchat, this video is for you. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your account, and then tap on the people icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings in the top right. Scroll down to privacy control, that is just below the additional services section. And here, go to ads, that is between customize emojis and data saver. Tap on lifestyle and interest, that is between ad preferences and autofill settings. Here, you will see the content you've selected. You can select more options or deselect the ones that you no longer want. And after adjusting your selections, your Discover feed should now be refreshed. And that's it. This is how you can go ahead and reset your Snapchat Discover feed. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.